Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video we're going to show you something that is a common problem on Mercedes W204. If you have a W204 from 2008 to 2015 model, okay, and the trim for the cargo roof rack right here, you can see those covers, okay, right here, those sometimes get broken because people don't open them the right way or open them too much, break them, and we'll show you how to replace that. It's a little bit complicated, but it's doable. Okay, you can see this one here is a good one, so we'll show you, okay, how to remove and replace them. It will take quite a bit of work. Stay with us. We'll also have a video how to install a really good aftermarket roof rack by removing those caps, so we'll have the video on the channel as well. So for that purpose guys, we have to remove, okay, the windshield trim and the roof trim right here. Left and right side will be identical, so stay with us and we're going to show you, okay, how to do it. So we need to get a plastic removal tools, like plastic panel removal tools, and usually you're going to start, okay, on this side right here. With the plastic ones you're not going to damage the paint, but still be very careful not to actually, okay, scratch it and pry on it too much. You need to go under the seal, okay, right here, and we'll need to start prying. Okay, we got one clip out. Now I'm going to get the bigger tool right here. Okay, careful around the cap here. Okay, a few more. You still cannot pull it out because it goes under the rear glass. Okay, right here. So now what we can do, we can actually, okay, pull it like that. And I'm going to show you where all the clips are in just a second. Okay. We still have a few more to go. Okay, here it's a little bit tight. Okay, perfect. Here we have two more that came out already. Okay, here you have to be careful never to pry on the windshield, because if you pry on the windshield, okay, you might break it. So, okay, it comes out of the way, just like that. Now let me show you where all the clips are. Okay, check it out here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here 5, 6. So you can see how many clips we have. So now if one of those lids is broken guys, it's replaceable by removing the trim like that. And stay with us and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So all you have to do, okay, open the cap, okay, like that. Now on this side, okay, right here you have to push in, okay, and pull it out on both sides. Okay, like that. Now you can remove that piece. Okay, that piece comes out of here, and then the cap goes towards the inside. It never comes from the outside. And you can see this is the cap right here. So if you want to get a new one, okay, you have to go from the back side, okay, like that again. You have to show it, okay, right here. Leave it open, hold it like that, push it towards the back to get in the canal, towards the outside of the trim. Okay, so let me show you now. This is, okay, that's how it's on the car. So when you flip it this way, you need to have the inner piece, okay, like that. And those, okay, go towards the back here. Okay, and you need to start, there is a canal right here, a little canal. You need to start, okay, pushing it in. On one side, then another one. And you need to go a little bit at a time. Okay, and eventually, okay, it will go in, okay, like that. So now, you can see, okay, the thing open and closes really good. So that's how you remove and replace the cap if you need to guys on Mercedes W204. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, many more videos to come and see you guys next time.